I...
Oh!
What? Oi! Okay, Denji, it's
Your moment. Hey guys, my name is Lucy.
And my name is Shuni.
And today we'll be reacting to episode number 4 of Chainsaw Man Rescue.
Yes! Ollie's here.
Yeah, she's ready for Meowy to be rescued.
Yes.
You were just saying that it's not Meowy how they say it, it's Miyako.
Right. Like, I was editing it and I realized that Meowy is in the translation. And they say Miyako. So, the original name is Miyako. But in English, it's Meowy.
Okay.
That's what I
Miyako
got.
or Nyako? I guess that would be Nyako because cats in Japanese go nya.
Right. So it's Miyako. We are so ready.
Yeah. And also for Power to be rescued. I want them to be a good team.
Yeah. I think they will be. I don't think that Denji is going to be mad at her. So we'll start watching the episode right now. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Also, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings and a few episodes ahead of YouTube.
This video was brought to you by your Patreons. Thank you so much for helping us grow. To have access to all these exclusive rewards, check out the link in the description down below. Enjoy the video! Oh.
Oh. Ew.
I mean, she is a devil. We saw this before. At least she was sharing with Nyako.
Yeah. Aww, poor bear.
Well, I guess the bear does that to other animals as well. So
I know.
I'm a vegetarian, she's vegan, so it's hard for us, but we understand it's part of
nature,
yeah. She should do something from inside, like create an accent. Because you love him. Ow. Oh, that looked like it hurt.
Yeah. It's not foolish. Oh, she's inside the
Yes.
devil now.
Oh my god! No, she's not.
Well, that was when she was inside, right? But it was for a good reason.
Yeah, he would do it for the boobs.
You should say something first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything for the boobs.
But she thinks her reason is foolish too, so I guess she'll understand.
A live stream. Oh, yeah, someone's gonna kill him.
What?
Oh no, Nyako! What the hell? Is that the same devil or is another one?
It's another one?
So maybe this is Power's moment to shine.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no.
No, he's not going to. Oh!
Ouch.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
He needs to drink blood, maybe.
You think? My man?
But she's not.
Oh, damn.
Only with that little chainsaw. Which must hurt so badly.
Ow. Without a hand.
Yeah. He's used to the pain though, I guess.
Yeah.
And he's part devil now, so we don't know if it hurts as much as a human would hurt. I guess any human would be in shock right now.
It depends. That's so much adrenaline.
Yeah.
He's losing more blood.
Yeah. Maybe he'll drink Power's blood.
Oh.
Or Power is going to move.
そうでしょ。こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの。コウモリは私と一緒に人間をすべて食べる夢を見て。
Oh, that's nice.
殺すのはもったいない顔だけど。死んでちょうだい。
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
くだらない。
バカみたいな理由じゃない。
It's serious for him.
Yeah. Wow.
Just with that little chainsaw.
みんな俺にやること見下しやがってさ。家族守りたいだの、猫救うだの。夢バトルしようぜ、夢バトル。俺がてめえをぶっ殺したらよ。
Wow. He's motivated.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
disgusting.
But effective.
It's a good plan, but it's disgusting. Oh,
I guess he'll regenerate that arm. Ouch.
probably.
悪魔じゃ。
Oh no.
Ouch.
What?
Oh! Oh! Oh, I know this.
Aki is here. Ooh, what?
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。
Ooh.
That's why I thought a character from Demon Slayer was going to survive, because that usually happens in anime.
But well, yeah, he has to survive.
Yeah,
Wow.
obviously.
More people, more
Yeah.
characters.
昼の悪魔、駆除確認。
That was like so cool. I don't know if like this.
I guess it's like this. Wow. Yeah, that was so cool.
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取。
Not from that arm. Please tell me that.
病院で検
Oh, yes.
Great.
Yes.
That was nice. Everything.
I can't believe the cat wasn't killed. I thought they were going to destroy your hearts with the cat.
Yeah.
Which means that it's still the case. Like the situation of him being able to fondle her tits.
Yeah.
Because he did kill the bat, and that
Uh-huh.
was the deal, I guess. Or just to rescue. That's a gray area.
Right.
Maybe she's gonna deceive him.
I don't
and
think-
saying
yeah.
like you didn't actually rescue him. It was Aki. So
So Aki can do it.
I don't think Aki
No.
would want to.
No. But yeah, I don't think it's going to be so easy for him because it's his biggest dream
Yeah.
and it's not gonna happen in the first episode.
Well, not really. No, it's not his biggest dream. Maybe his biggest dream would be to. How does he say it? Get it with a girl.
Yeah, to be with a girl.
I guess that's the final dream, maybe. But this is like the baby step towards it.
So yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, Nyako.
Yeah, cool.
Let's respect Nyako's original name.
Yes.
I'm so glad. And I relate to Power so much.
Yeah.
With that and just that specific feeling of love towards a cat.
Yeah. I'm not sure why she couldn't move. Was it because of some digestive gastric things?
Like liquids.
Because she didn't have anything.
Well, not that we could see.
Not
Maybe
that
her
we could
back
see.
was broken.
Oh, you think?
Could be.
Because Nyako was fine,
Yeah.
I guess. Right, maybe her back is broken.
I wouldn't be too worried because she's gonna regenerate it.
Yeah.
Because she's a devil. Here we have our own Nyako.
お前の腕
I want him to explain his powers.
本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな
Oh,
Yeah.
not a scratch.
てめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ本当に何も知らねえんだなデビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う俺は狐の悪魔と契約している
Wow.
Okay.
Fox Devil.
代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ
Oh.
今回は皮膚を食わしたはあ痛そう
Yeah, it does.
パワーはいいや
Yeah.
監視カメラに巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されているそれにコウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家にはお前の血が大量に落ちていたお前血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと
ありがとう
Those people that he saved.
って言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
男の命なんて知るかって悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ
All the testimonies of the people he saved.
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば血の魔人もそれをかばったお前も処分される
Oh,
だが死者も出なかったし
right.
お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら今回は見逃してやるお前はバカでガキで道徳がない俺はお前より先輩だし社会正義も持っているつもりだ俺の言うことを聞いていればお前は今の生活
Everyone's trying to manipulate him.
Yeah.
どうだ分かったら返事おお頭に入
I
れ
will keep it in mind.
あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえししょぼい夢しかねえけどよてめえと同じぐらい俺マジでやっからさ
The apples were so nicely cut.
Yeah.
なあ無罪だったじゃろ分かったらさっさとこれを外せ
Nope.
俺たちはデビルハンターですあくまでも魔人
Oh, he did it.
でも敵は敵利用するだけです慣れ合うつもりはないですよ
She was pouting, like, what's gonna happen to him?
What? Oh.
どうぞ
Oh, he stopped himself to look better.
Yeah.
いつの間にか巡回エリアの外に出てしまっていたそうでそこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見しコウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうですまたコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした報告は以上です
Are the heads important?
デンジ君とパワーちゃん知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね、
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから不問にしてよろしいかと
Is she going to agree?
わかりました
Oh, great.
では失礼します
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなったデンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな
何も変わってないですよ
As tradition, someone's using a chainsaw right now.
I don't think it's a chainsaw though, but some kind of machine.
A cutting machine.
Yeah.
You could call it a chainsaw.
It's not a chainsaw. I don't think it's a chainsaw.
Okay, so he
is
understood.
Yeah, he's becoming more flexible.
He is. Or maybe he has always been. No one showed up that would need his flexibility.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm starting to like the group.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't dislike him that much as when we first met him.
Yeah.
Now I know it's a devil that he has a contract with, and that exchange of body parts.
Yeah. Bit of skin. It could be, I don't know, an organ next time.
Yeah, that's not safe,
No. So he doesn't really have to use it that much.
right? But it's so cool.
Cool.
And why? Yeah, and why this?
Because he was eating. It's the fox.
Maybe
It's,
yeah. It
it's
kinda
eating and whatever, you know, like you do it like this.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it eats whatever
It's a little
you
mouse.
circled.
Yeah, because he was like aiming that devil. Interesting. I like it.
Yeah. I wonder why his hair looks so straight up
Yeah,
when it's actually not damaged.
it's gel.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Oh, I've seen this bit of animation as well.
Okay.
It's very aesthetically pleasing.
He's so calm.
Yeah.
Nothing like Denji
Or power.
or Power.
A nice little morning routine.
Everything is white.
You could say, yeah. So calm.
Yeah, but kind of nerve-wracking.
Oh no. His piece is about to be gone.
Yeah.
Okay, does he use gel?
No.
No, he doesn't. Why?
Why?
How in the physics?
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
It looks very pleasing.
これやりんだよ悪魔
The devil. Okay. Ui.
おうおう
Power?
おう狭い家じゃの
Wait, Nyako. Oh no.
早川くんちの
Poor Aki.
パワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか
私が早川くんを一番に信用しているから。
She's manipulating you.
Yeah.
Everyone.
はい
Ah.
ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。心配しなくてもパワーちゃん
Yeah,
い
right.
るって言ってたから。
It's not happening.
野菜は嫌いじゃん。
Oh no.
野菜を投げるな
He's like a dad.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
Yeah.
悪魔
トイレ
Good for Denji there.
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
But
流せくせえんだよ
it stinks
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
occasionally.
なんちゃうなら人間は繊細じゃろなあやこ
クソも流せねえのか悪魔はあおいクソ悪魔
Devil.
こびりついて取れねえんだよ
Oh.
Oh,
あ
she's going to do it.
約束だったじゃろ
Okay.
胸を揉ませてやるから揉め
Okay, Denji, it's
It's your moment. Maybe he won't even be able to do it.
どうした嬉しいじゃない
Let's see.
And Power doesn't really have any respect for that body because it's not even hers.
Hers.
胸を揉んでいい回数
Free squeezes.
にゃーこを助けたのがひともみ
Okay.
コウモリを殺したので二もみ
And the order for saving you.
ちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので三もみじゃ胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃない
Uh,
うぬの頑張りに報いてやる
So,
he's gonna pass out
like, she's an angel.
with the horns.
Oh, wow.
Another ending.
Comic styled.
Nyako.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be so sweet if Nyako would just hold on to her horns. I wonder what she was like before.
Yeah.
I mean, before, you know.
Becoming a devil.
Yeah.
Or being killed, I guess.
No, I guess she got killed and then the devil got control
Yeah.
of her. But
Yeah, yeah.
I want to know about. Well, we don't even know her name. Power's buddy.
It looks like she was such a sweet girl,
Yeah.
but maybe not. But her image is so nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
So cute.
Yeah.
I wonder if we're going to find out about her life someday.
For now, we've only seen memories of her already being a devil.
I don't think she remembers.
Well, a fiend, because she is a fiend.
Yeah.
Now they are living together, and I noticed that Denji was kind of being a little more,
Cooperative?
cooperative and not so messy, at least. Because he
Right.
was eating the toast, the
Super
same,
toast.
the same toast that he ate the first time,
Yeah.
and it was pretty clean.
Yeah. He had a lot of jars,
Yeah, again.
but that's fine if everything was clean, and it was.
Yeah.
He was like, my super toast. maybe Aki will accomplish that with Power. I think she's a bit crazier.
Yeah.
Well,
A lot crazier.
yeah.
I mean, she broke the door to get in.
Yes. So, I am happy with the results.
Very.
We'll see if he actually gets to fondle her boobs.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna pass out. He's not gonna be able to.
Okay.
Or he's gonna pass out and she's gonna say, oh yeah, you did.
There's a lot of suspense.
Yeah. Well, it is his dream.
Yeah.
what is gonna be his dream next?
Right.
We had Power's boobs. Next is Makima's boobs.
Not gonna happen.
No, not ever.
No.
Well, I guess maybe to manipulate him somehow. It would be a huge thing that Makima would need him to do.
If Makima ever gets to say that, it will be a lie. She's not
I
gonna
don't
do
think
it.
she would do an exchange like that. She would lure Denji to be with her, and then he would do anything for her.
But I guess he would do anything for her
Anyways?
Yeah.
Maybe she doesn't even need to.
Mm.
So many questions.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, the important thing is that Nyako is okay.
Yeah.
I don't care about the super toast, I don't care about the toilet, I care about Nyako.
He was fine.
Yeah. And I thought Denji was going to regenerate the arm. It wasn't the case.
No.
His arm got reattached and he healed.
Right.
But I thought he was going to regenerate the whole thing. Because he regenerated the eye and what else he was missing? Oh, I don't know. All the other
Organs? Well, we didn't see him coughing blood again, so... But I don't know if that was because of the organs he was missing or because of the illness.
Yeah, I guess it was the illness. Maybe that got fixed too.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Also, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and some episodes ahead of YouTube. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!